Welcome once again बच्चों. So that's again an inequality. So where, see, it's a proving statement. So few of you must be thinking that no one is going to ask proving statement. Of course no one is going to ask the proving statement, but then again you can convert it to MCQ type or integer type question very easily. We all know it. Okay, and one more thing here, they should have definitely mentioned that A, B and C, they are all positive numbers, because we are not expected to use AMGM inequality without having positive numbers or positive terms. Okay, so now let's start one more thing, and that is, so I think you would have got the corrected question here. So that's the question which you have to prove. 1 plus A into 1 plus B into 1 plus C whole is power 7 is greater than or equal to whatever you have in RHS. Okay, so see, first what I did, I just opened this algebraic expression which appears as product here. So you just multiply. What will we get? 1 plus ABC, then single term A plus B plus C, and then two terms AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, now observe this. How many terms we have in it? How many terms we have in this expansion? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 terms. But how many A we have, including all the terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. And since it is symmetric about ABC, so we have 4A, 4B, 4C. Look at here. A raised power 4, B raised power 4, C raised power 4. The only problem is we have 8 terms, whereas everywhere you have 7. So if we apply over 7 terms, we are expected to get whatever is required here. But we have 8 terms. So how will I start? I will say, okay, this is greater than or equal to A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus AC plus ABC. Now how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now apply AMGM over it. Okay, so now if I apply AMGM, so we know that sum of all the terms AB, BC, AC, ABC upon 7 is greater than equal to their product. See, now you multiply all of them, you have 4A, so A raised power 4, B raised power 4, C raised power 4, whole raised power 1 by 7, and we are done. Okay, take 7 that side and raising to the power 7 here. So A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC. So that was a small trick here. So that's why I selected this question, bachon. So this is greater than equal to 7 times A raised power 4, B raised power 4, C raised power 4, whole raised power 1 by 7, raising to the power 7 both the side. So this implies A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus AC plus ABC whole raised to the power 7 is greater than equal to 7 raised to the power 7, A raised power 4, B raised power 4, C raised power 4, and that's it. Okay, and the important thing is, of course, since 1 plus A into 1 plus B, 1 plus C whole raised power 7 is greater than equal to A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus AC plus ABC whole raised power 7, and hence this is greater than equal to 7 raised power 7, A raised power 4, B raised power 4, C raised power 4. So that was a small trick here. So you need to see, you need to solve few different type of questions based on AMGM HM, so that you have a fair idea of how to use and where to use, what to use. So all those questions can be answered if you have a bit of practice on this topic. Okay, so that's why I'm uploading few questions from AMGM HM inequality also, bachon.